Dear friends, this winning and working, the first part, that is geology part of it. Generally, you will get some 3, 4 questions or maybe 5 questions at most from geology part. In that, the folds, faults, and joints also make a part of it. Maybe 1 or 2 questions you will get, but it is worth understanding the subject, and the 2 or 3 marks can make a lot of difference for you while clearing the exam. This is the lesson number 6 on folds, but written as folds, but you have got joints and other things. Now, let us understand what is a joint. A joint means something which is together, but it doesn't move. Move means don't take the other joints. जो भी दो अलग से सॉलिड्स रहते उसको साथ में लेके आगे है, समझिए. देयर विल बी ए gap or maybe a fine line which shows that there are two separate pieces but firmly attached. They are known as joints. Joints and fractures both are same, but fractures have larger space between them and joints have very minute micro space between them. And one most important thing you should remember is both these things they didn't move. Matlab, if there are two blocks which are together due to a joint, it didn't move. Like it didn't slide or it didn't go like this, like a fault, or it didn't bend or any other thing. So the joint and fracture both are technically same, whereas the fractures have got large gaps. Whatever veins and other things you find some very valuable veins between, it will rise up, like you will find it in zinc and other areas. So these particular veins, they form in the cracks, that is your fractures, large fractures. Sometimes the fracture will be so large you will find even very large dikes separating them, whereas joints are very thin. Now the difference, one more difference is the joints, they exist in a set. In the next picture, in the next slide there is a picture, you will understand it more carefully. The joints, they will be in the same parallel lines, which you call it as a joint set. And joint set is a family of parallel joints, generally evenly spaced. ऐसा नहीं कि दो जॉइंट के बीच में इधर 5 सेंटीमीटर रहता है, दूसरे जगह 40 रहेगा. More or less it is same. Whereas two sets, when they intersect each other, please remember, it is known as the joint system. When the joints are parallel and in a group, maybe 1 joint, 10 joints, 1000 joints, or in a parallel line, more or less in a same manner, it is known as set, joint set. ऐसा 2-3 set, in case they intersect with each other, it is known as system of joints. This picture you can see, like this is a joint, you see. This is a continuation of the joint. It got broken here, or it is one more joint, and this is one joint, this is one more joint, and here also I think some joint must be there, got displaced. These are known as multiple joints in the same parallel. You can see more or less same distance. This is known as a joint set. And some more joints where they come across, like this is there, it is known as system of joints. This word system of joints and joint set, in multiple choice questions you may get, I have also given in your examination. Like here, joint set and system, one more. Like you can take anything like this is one joint, this is one joint, this is one, this is one, and all these are parallel and crisscross also. Some more joint set, he is breaking them. It is known as joint system. Now this is the end of joints. Now you will find what do you mean by fold. Like you will fold a cloth. अब घर में कपड़े fold करेंगे ना. What you are doing? ये straight में भी आपके चादर वादर जो भी है सुबह उठ के fold करेंगे. What you do, you will bend it and make it into multiple folds and keep it. Whereas in the same manner, even in rocks, the stratified, generally stratified मतलब sedimentary का layer by layer जो रहते हैं, in case some force is applied, then it gets bent. Now let us say this is a one small book I have taken. This is a stratified joint. Maybe this is some joint, this is some joint, this is some joint. This is a sedimentary. If I apply some force here, it is likely to bend. If I apply a force on the top, it is likely to bend like this. From the bottom it will bend like this, from the top it will bend like this. It means whenever certain forces act, of course forces cannot be like my finger or hand, very abnormally high forces. It gets bent, it is known as fold. To this extent, how the pressure is, how much pressure will cause compression, how much pressure will cause tension, all this you need not worry. This is out of scope for our particular learning. Fold size can be microscopic to even mountain size. तो हर एक साइज में मिल सकता फोल्ड, आइसोलेटेड भी रहेगा या सिंगल भी रहेगा. Lot of folds in one place, it is known as fold train. Why train? Train means you will have many bogies in there, isn't it? In the same manner, multiple folds in one place is known as train of folds. If over a region like you may be from Dhenkanal or maybe Maharashtra, some region, or maybe Ongole region, any region to name it, big large area. If there are lot of folds in a particular regional scale, it is known as fold belt. So you have learned about a fold which is microscopic to macro, मतलब छोटे से लेके बड़ा तक. If it is some multiple number of folds in one place, it is known as a fold train. If it is in a region, large region, it is known as fold belt. And large scale folds are found generally due to tectonic movements. What do you mean by tectonic plate movements? This subject is not yours, basically, at least not required for you for this examination. I can tell you in one word, the continents move constantly. That is known as the plate movement. So these tectonic plates, when they move, sometimes they collide, sometimes they separate, sometimes they shear. These are different types of movements. These are important for geology people. But you can remember one thing, large scale folds take place when the tectonic plates move. Fold terminology. This you can read, but fold terminology, one small picture I have taken that you can view, that is from internet. Okay, look, this is the fold. Okay, I will still enlarge or make it, this is the fold. Like look, this is the fold, and this is the mountain. Actually this is the mountain. If you walk on the mountain, you will walk like this. You can't walk like this. This is the slope. So the slope is known as limb. You look here, he has given the limb. The slope is known as limb. This is one more limb, this is one more limb, this is one more limb. Okay, this portion where the fold top, you can call mountain top, forget fold, is known as axial surface. And the same axial surface, this line is known as hinge line. You need not worry about that. Like any other wave, this is also considered as wave and known as amplitude. It is important to understand what is inflection point. Inflection point is the point, these are the inflection points, where the curvature changes. The limb is straight here, isn't it? Here the curvature starts changing, means from here somewhere. It is not here, remember. It starts changing from here. This is what the picture says. So this picture will be helpful for you to understand the fold structure. The same thing is given in all this slide. Types of folds, there are many types of folds. Anticlinal folds, they dip away from the axial center. Matlab, I will tell you one thing, this is anticlinal fold. Okay, this is synclinal fold. Anticlinal fold dips away from axial center. This is the axial center, what I am telling you. This is the axial center. Okay, they are dipping away. This is going away Okay, this is going away, this is also going away. This is what it says. In this, now I request you to understand one very small and very interesting. In these layers, this is oldest strata, isn't it? This is the oldest strata. Above it is somewhat younger to it. Above it is younger. So this is the youngest. This is the oldest. In an anticlinal fold, if you take an anticlinal fold, what is happening? If you make a drilling from here, okay, if you make a drilling from here, first you will find new strata, then you will find old strata. That is exactly what he is saying. Oldest strata in the center, oldest strata in the center. Now you take synclinal fold. Syncline means sinking. Okay. In this synclinal fold, what is happening? This is covered. Let us say this is a valley. In valley, what you are now touching first? The new one will be in the synclinal fold, dips towards the axial center. Axial center, say, it is dipping away. It is dipping towards the axial center. You take this is dipping towards the axial center, and youngest strata will be in the center. Look what is happening in a syncline. Youngest strata is in the center. So take a hill like this, okay, another hill where you do drilling, and the oldest strata in the outermost. Dome matlab same dome where you see what is the Taj Mahal, that is a dome. Here also in rock structures you have dome. How does Taj Mahal look? I am not talking about the front portion. On the top, dome, gol wala, gol gumbat, that is dome. Good dome may be oldest strata will be in the center. Basin matlab a valley type thing. Now there are types of folds. Monocline, I have explained you about synclinal fold, anticlinal fold. मोनोक्लिन मतलब क्या है? उसमें करीब करीब एक ही लिम्ब रहेगा. आपको फोटो दिखाने से समझ में आएगा. इट विल हैव ओनली वन लिम्ब. दूसरा तो फ्लैट रहेगा, देन सडनली इट डिप्स. इट विल बी फ्लैट एंड इट डिप्स सडनली. दैट इज मोनोक्लिन. मोनो मतलब सिंगल, मोनोटमस, सिंगल बॉडी. सो मोनो एक्शन, एक आदमी एक्शन करने का मोनो एक्शन कहा जाता है. ऐसा ही मोनोक्लिन मीन्स इट हैज गॉट ओनली वन साइड डिप. Chevron folds, recumbent folds, stigmatic folds, all these are different types of folds. Because the lecture should not end within 2 minutes, I have given you all these examples. You can, people who are more interested can go through Google. Lot of lakhs of sites are there. I have also taken most of the photographs from there. These are again asymmetrical fold, overturned, different types of folds. Here, some pictures I have taken. How an anticlinal fold looks, photographs. मैं किताब विताब फोल्ड करके दिखाने से कोई मतलब नहीं है. Here you say this is anticline. Okay, this is anticline. This is the surface. Now I can explain you. Okay, this is the youngest strata, isn't it? आप समझ जाइए. This was originally like this. This was originally, बाद में ऐसा, this was originally like this. अब ये ऐसा bend हो गया. नाउ बेंड होने के बाद, प्लीज रिमेंबर, बेंड होने के बाद पूरा वेयर आउट हो गया. इधर देखिए फ्लैट सरफेस बन गया. नहीं तो दुनिया पूरा पहाड़ी रहता था, आपको पहाड़ों पे ही चलना पड़ता. पहाड़ी आदमी कहा जाते थे आपको. अभी ऐसा नहीं है, पूरे वेयर आउट हो गया. दिस प्रॉबेबली वाज लाइक दिस. प्रॉबेबली दिस माउंटेन वाज समवेयर लाइक दिस. दिस लेयर वाज लाइक दिस. दिस लेयर वाज लाइक दिस. देन इट गॉट eroded and became flat. Now where is the oldest strata? It is in the center. So now you understood what do you mean by oldest strata in the center and for a syncline. Okay, right. Next, anticline. Anticline 2 means 2 and 1 doesn't have any this one. While saving I did so. ये तो बहुत छोटा दिख रहा है, बट आपको पता नहीं कैसा दिख रहा है. ये तो एंटिक्लाइन 2 है. आपको सिंक्लाइन भी दिखाऊंगा. ये तो एंटिक्लाइन है. Syncline, I will show you the syncline. Yeah, it is delaying. Okay. Yes, this is the syncline. Okay. Now, in this syncline, actually, oldest youngest strata, here really you can't really appreciate how oldest is. Here also this is the oldest. Okay, this is the youngest. Here youngest is on the center and youngest is here and oldest. I will give you one more photograph which I don't have to explain you why the youngest will be in the center. You see, this is in the center youngest. This is what does it mean. Then a monocline, I will show you a monocline. Monocline means a single limb. I told you mono means single. There will be a single limb. Look here, this has come like this, and then this is more or less flat, and suddenly it dipped. Look, suddenly it dipped. This is known as monocline. Asymmetrical means जो फोल्ड सिमेट्रिकल नहीं है, मतलब दोनों साइड इक्वल नहीं है, उसको एसिमेट्रिकल कहा जाता. सिमेट्री का ऑपोजिट है एसिमेट्री. लुक, दिस इज द फोल्ड. ऐसा तो फोल्ड को ऐसा रहना चाहिए, सुंदर डोम जैसा ऐसा गोल सा रहना चाहिए, बट इट हैज बेंट. लुक, द एक्सिस इज लाइक दिस हियर. सो दिस इज नोन एज द asymmetrical fold. Just to give you a picture, they may not ask you, but one thing, in main exam I am going to ask you, in paid exam I told you ना 50 रुपया वाला एग्जाम जो 1-2 महीने के बाद चलेगा, उसमें तो पक्का ये फोटोग्राफ्स दूंगा, इसमें कौन सी एसिमेट्रिकल फोल्ड है, कौन से सिमेट्रिकल है, ऑल दैट. Okay, this is also another different fold structure. Then overturned fold, chevron. I will show you what is a chevron fold. Yes, this is chevron. देखिए, this totally got turned, and here also again it has taken a turn. Like fold को आप सुला दिए. This is chevron. Tigmatic मतलब बहुत बहुत छोटा रहेगा. Okay, then I think there is some problem in this particular picture. Now friends, with this I will come to faults. Faults means when the joint gets displaced, it is known as fault. मेरे पास और एक छोटा किताब है. There is a too small a book. If I keep 2 books here and if I bend like this, one book will slide. So the book that is supporting is known as foot book. Let us say foot book or footwall. The another book what is there, it is known as hanging book or hanging wall. This concept you try to remember, and whenever if there are 2 books one above the another, will it slide? It can slide only if somebody pushes the top book. Okay, so these are about faults. फॉल्ट्स में ज़्यादा कुछ आपसे मालूम, मतलब यू विल नॉट बी आस्क्ड मच, बट वन थिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, फॉल्ट मीन्स द मूवमेंट इज मोर एंड रैपिड, फास्ट, फट से. कभी अर्थक्वेक हो गया, एनी टाइम अर्थक्वेक कम्स और एनी अदर टेक्टोनिक मूवमेंट, सडनली द फॉल्ट विल टेक प्लेस, दैट इज फॉल्ट. Whereas creep means you will not even know, slowly every day, maybe half mm, 1 mm, 1 mm, it will be moving. Maybe over a period of 2 months it will move 2 mm. So very small, this one is known as creep. Like folds, folds also can be in millimeter size to kilometer sizes. Hanging wall and footwall concept I have taken. To explain you, I will just take a minute to get you one more book. Now, sorry, this is not quantitative aptitude, this is a book, okay, fault block. Now, which is hanging wall in this? This is hanging wall because it is sliding, okay, it is sliding. Which is footwall? This big book is footwall, okay. Now, if I keep like this, what happened? This big book is tendency to, this big book will slide. It means the big book is a hanging wall and bottom book is the footwall. Now if I keep like this, no footwall, no hanging wall, nothing will slide or any other thing. So gentlemen, this concept of hanging wall and footwall vanishes when the blocks are truly vertical. Okay, agreed? Now here you see, this is a normal fault. Abhi, why do you call it a normal fault? Again I will take my fault blocks. This is the fault block. What should happen? Generally, this should slide, no? If you leave, this must slide. But what if the big book slides and goes up? That is a reverse fault. Because it is very normal for the hanging wall to slide, this is known as a normal fault. Because you see the hanging wall has come down, footwall is here only. Whereas here in this case the hanging wall has gone up or the footwall has come down, whatever it is, story is same. That is the relative movement. Here in this case what happened, it is vertical, like what I explained you. The concept of hanging wall, footwall vanished. Now this has moved away. This is known as strike slip fault because this is the strike direction. It slipped along the strike, so it is strike slip fault. Important fault types: normal fault you have seen, that is also known as a dip slip fault, reverse fault, strike slip, and oblique fault. This is oblique fault. I wanted to tell you one picture I have taken. Look here, this has fault movement has taken place and also it has gone up. Look, it has gone up. So these are known as oblique faults. Any suggestions and comments are invited. And this lesson you can listen once and try a few books and solve the bits. That is more than sufficient. Give more concentration on legislation if you are writing legislation. And the future lessons of winning and working, especially when I do shaft sinking and other things for underground, and open cast machinery and other things for open cast. And I am going to give you many questions and explanations and videos for pumping, winders for underground, pumping common for all. Then lot of things I don't remember. Around 150 to 200 videos will come. Please preserve them and save. Without writing big exams on Sundays or whatever, when I start, maybe in July or August, I don't know. I am thinking still. Those exams are very useful. Please do not miss them if you really want to practice. Then you will come to know what is your score. There no book will be available. You cannot see your notes. If you see your notes, the time will run away. Within 2 hours it will close. So you will come to know your real capacity, which chapter you are good, which chapter you are average, which chapter you are excellent. Then you can improve accordingly. Okay. Thank you very much.